Today's class, we are going to discuss about the implementation of FindS algorithm. FindS is the algorithm which is used to find out maximally specific hypothesis. So here it will consider only positive examples. First, initialize the hypothesis to most specific hypothesis, that is H with null values. Then for each positive examples, for each attribute in the example, if attribute value is equal to hypothesis value, then do nothing, else replace the hypothesis with the more general constraint, then finally output the hypothesis. So this algorithm is explained by taking the example of good day for water sports. So this particular example contains 4 training examples with the attributes are sky, air temperature, humidity, wind, water, forecast, and enjoy sport. So in order to implement this, we need to create the data set by using Microsoft Excel file. So this particular file we have to store the first row is nothing but the attribute names, that is sky, temperature, humidity, wind, water, focus, class. Next row onwards we need to store the training examples. So here class label Y indicates yes class, N indicates no class. After typing this, we need to store that is file save as with the CSV file. So here CSV is nothing but comma separated values, which is the most common import-export format for spreadsheets and databases. CSV module implements classes to read and write tabular data in CSV format. So this CSV, in order initially, in order to work with Python, we are going to use a browser-based interactive computer environment known as Jupyter Notebook. So initially, we are going to create empty list. Then we are going to, in order to work with CSV file in Python, we are going to import CSV module which supports 2 functions, reader and writer functions. So here import CSV with open CSV file, and we are going to rename with the short name F. And then CSV reader function. So this function will return a reader object which it will iterate over lines in a given CSV file. Then empty list is now appended with each row within a data present in a given data set, that is CSV file. So finally list A is appended with all attribute with values. If we are executing that, we can observe result. So that is the list A is loaded with the attribute names as well as attribute values. But in order to work with FindS algorithm, we need only attribute values. Attribute name is no need. So that's why we need to delete the first row of the list by using delete A of 0. If you are executing the command, we can see first row is removed here. So we can observe only training instances. So after that, we can observe number of attributes. So total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Sun, sky, temperature, humidity, wind, water, focus, class. So total 7 attributes are there. That is counted by using length of AF0. So by executing the command, we can see output is number of attributes are 7. But we need only attribute values, no need of class label. So for that, we need to remove the last column of the each row by assigning length of A of 0 minus 1. So you can see number of attribute will be reduced to 6. So after this, initially we need to initialize the hypothesis with the null value. So null is multiplied with the number of attributes. Null with the null into 6 means it will produce initial hypothesis with the 6 null values. So you can see here initial hypothesis with the 6 null values. Then in the next case, we have to check for the given training example. We have to check whether first attribute is having positive instance. First attribute with class label is yes or no. So here first attribute sunny, warm, normal, strong, warm, same with first class label is yes. So if it is, first we have to check whether it is positive example or not. So for that, for I in the range of 0 to length of a, if attribute a of I, number of attributes is equal to yes, that is first we have to check the training example with only positive class. If it is example with positive class means, then we have to hypothesis the values of the first training instance with the initial hypothesis H1. So that is H1 is replaced with the sunny, warm, normal, strong, warm, same, because here first training instance with the positive class. Next, remaining training examples are compared against the first hypothesis. So for that, for k in the range of I plus 1 length of a indicates remaining training examples. For j in the range of 0 to number of attributes indicate the each attributes in a particular training example. If a of k of into number of attributes is not equal to no, that is each attribute values whether it is not equal to no. So that is, if a of k of number of attribute means it indicates number of attribute is 6, k is 0. So that is k is I plus 1. So that is k is 1. One first row with the sixth column, that is nothing but the class label. We have to check whether it is class label is equal to yes or no. If it is not equal to no means class label is yes. That is, we are considering only positive instances. That is, second line onwards we are considering only positive instances. If a of k of j not equal to hypothesis of 0 of j, that is first hypothesis is not equal to its attribute value is not equal to second training instance attribute value. So we have to check first hypothesis attribute value is sunny, whether it is equal to second attribute hypothesis value or not equal. If it is not equal, then we have to replace it with the most general constraint, that is question mark. Otherwise you have to keep as it is. So in this way it will be repeated for all attributes as well as all training instances. So finally we are going to output the final hypothesis that will be executed. So already this example we have traced in our last class. So we have to get the solution is sunny, warm, question mark, strong, question mark, question mark. This is the output for the given problem. Here one more case we can consider, that is algorithm if you are considering the first training instance with the negative example. So most of you have submitted assignment, that is implementation of FIND-S algorithm. You check whether it will work for first training instances negative. So previous example we have considered first training instance with the S class. Here it is replaced with the no class. Some of code will not work for S class. So check your code whether it will work for first training instance with the no class. So here remaining all instances we are going to keep as it is. Only we are going to change the first training instance with the no class. So whenever you are going to trace the algorithm, we can check. So initial hypothesis is null for the first training instance. Second training instance you can observe that is positive class. So hypothesis will be replaced with the sunny, warm, high, strong, warm, same. Next it is compared with the next positive example. Third example will not be considered. Last example it will be compared. Sunny, sunny, same. Warm, warm, same. High, high, same. Strong, strong, same. But warm and cool change is there. Replaced with the more general constraint question mark. Same and change is there. Question mark will be assigned here. So after this, you can check it with the execution of code. Here we can observe that is. So it has finalized a simplified code here, line by line. Instead of that, overall execution will show. So here, if you are taking the good day for water sport example with the first training instance as negative, then we can see result we have to get sunny, warm, high, strong, question mark, question mark. So you check your code with taking first training instance, just replacing with the yes class by no class. Same way in last class I gave two more assignment questions. We can verify that. So that is if you considering the example, so that is nothing but the face example. So smiley face or not. So that is If you are considering the example with the attributes eyes, nose, head, face color, hair, the class label is smile means yes, otherwise no class. So second row onwards you have to assign the attribute values. So after that, for this we can execute the code. So that is, we can see here. So it is replaced with the file name. Instead of sport, we can take face. So after executing the code, we can see a result we have to get. So that is nothing but question mark, round, question mark, yes, for your assignment problem with the smiley face. So that is